All right, guys, so I'm probably literally the worst YouTuber on YouTube. I was just over in Schoharie. They asked me to be a judge. I totally did not bring a GoPro battery. So I don't have any footage of a car show in Schoharie, but I did find this little car show down the road. So I'm gonna go up and check out the cars. Leave the way. All right, YouTubers, as you can see, washing the car. Gonna go over to a cruise-in at the, in my hometown. I'm actually a little late. Had to work. Had to drive to Utica. So I'm gonna hurry up and try not to get a speeding ticket on my way over to Schoharie. And hopefully there'll be some cool cars there. Alright, so I made it over here to Schoharie. This is my buddy Tom's car. He's got it for sale, sadly. It's a beautiful blue. If any of you guys might be interested in a nice, basically brand new Mustang, that's what that is. He's having a baby, congratulations, and that's the reason why he's sending it down the road. But man, there's quite a few cars here. This old Chevy sitting next to me. It's even got the cool old, whatever you call those. Curb finders, I believe they call them. Curb finders. Nice. Original. Even got a little band, as you can tell. People hanging out on the yard. Cool looking ride. It's even got spotlights. Next to a nice 55 Chevy. Got a small block in it. Eldebrock. Nicely done on the inside. Nice little car. Got big tires on it. My pick at the other car show is over there. It's that beautiful red Torino. C5 Corvette, another 5.0 Mustang, a cool Viper. Ooh. A couple of Chevys. Ooh. Wow. It's super sport. 396. Some beautiful craters. Man, this one's nice. Boy, she's pretty. There's cool Camaro.
Help yourself.
Beautiful.
Pick the tires.
This is that beautiful Torino that was up at the Power Authority show. Man, this car is so nice. I mean, not only is it a 429 Cobra Jet car, but it's just, she's just beautiful. And a Huey guy owns it. Look at that Huey guy. This L82. There's 2 plus 2. He's got her blown. That's cool. No plus 2 in the back of this one. Sniper kit. Little ZL1. 1 LE. Yep. ZL1 LE. Yeah, buddy. There you go. Nice. Look at this cool thing. I love seeing the wood. Man, that's awesome. That's pretty much all that's here. But there is a show Sunday, and I will be here Sunday. Alright, so I should have mentioned last night that the town is doing like a 3-day event. Last night was a cruise-in and a band, as you saw. Today is lawn sale days. The whole town, basically, everybody has like a lawn sale. You know, everybody knows everybody, so people that don't live in town actually bring their stuff to people that do live in town, and it's just one big, huge event. It's a beautiful day, as you guys can see. Lots of people set up in the parking lot over here. So not only do they set up at people's houses, but in the county parking lot. So Barbecue Delights is here. I was just yelling at those guys from the street, making fun of them. So I'm gonna walk around, see if I can find some cool old stuff to maybe decorate my basement, maybe put some more stuff in my garage. Who knows what I'm gonna find. So I'm gonna go check it out. All right, guys, so I'm probably literally the worst YouTuber on YouTube. I was just over in Schoharie. They asked me to be a judge. I totally did not bring a GoPro battery, so I don't have any footage of a car show in Schoharie, but I did find this little car show down the road. So I'm gonna go up and check out the cars, leave the bike here. I was like, well, let me go just grab a battery, come on back. It's literally a mile down the road from my house. So I'm gonna go up here and check out the cars they have here. Now, there was some very nice cars over in Schoharie. There was a all original 68 Shelby GT 350, super nice car. That car got my vote. One of my picks, I had 2 picks, and I'm ashamed to say that I actually, with my other pick, I picked the Chevy Impala SS, which is a really nice car. I even told the guy, I was like, you got a Ford guy to pick a Chevy. Congratulations, you got a really nice car. Yeah. So let's check out what they got up here. Hello, MG Midget. Cool little car. Oh boy, 4-wheel drive. Vortec. Got a Vortec engine in it. Oh, I've seen this one before. This is the 4-barrel. Oh, excuse me. You're fine. 9/11. Look at all the firefighters. Unfortunately. We got a new Mustang. Another new Mustang. This thing is a zombie response vehicle, apparently. It's got like little faces and stuff molded. Look at that. There you go. Got some stuff on the engine. Lights all over the place. It's originally a 2016 Jeep. Alrighty. I believe this car was at another car show. We got a newer Mustang with some paint work on the hood. Mustang. A nice, I don't know what color you'd call that. It's a nice 65, 66 maybe. Oh, it's a 65. You can tell because of the speedometer. Oh, little Monte Carlo over here. Look at that motor. Holy moly. That's something. Holy snarkers. Bench seat car. Wow. There we go. Pontiac. Looks like a Le Mans. Yep, Le Mans big block car. 455. Bucket seats.
Yeah.
Very nice. I have to go look at the Coronet over there in a minute.
I feel like I'm a whole lot older than I really am.
Nice Camaro. Cheyenne. Oh, nice Ford. There you go. 54 Ford. Very nice. Nice GS. Pretty car. Chevy truck. Oh, 6-cylinder with two carbs. Hastings. Oh, this is the Mustang before the Mustang. Or the Mustang at the same time as the Mustang. And there's a nice Falcon. Under construction. That's what I should put on my Ford. Under construction. Ah, there we go. GTX. This truck was actually in Schoharie. Back to the GTX. Very nice. Oh boy. Plymouth. Oldsmobile. Nice car. Future. 57 Ford Fairlane. There you go. It's got the original exhaust manifold. It's got the same sea cleaner. He's got power brakes. See the difference in 57. Oh, the hood dash is quite different. Very nice.
We would like to gather all the responders and volunteers at the pavilion at this time. Would you please come forward?
It's endangered.
This is the first call. To all the responders, and volunteers. Please come
Nice.
to the...
Little hot rod.
Oh, it's all right. It's all good. You got it.
Rip here. Big old car. My leg.
Yeah, well, how's that just
Nice road king. Nice chopper.
Okay, if you could proceed to the pavilion at this time.
Alright guys, so, you know, I'm back home. The rain started, you know, sprinkling, and then it stopped, so it chased me back home. I'm on my bike, obviously. And, you know, like I said, I'm probably the worst YouTuber. I get distracted. You know, I try to remember to bring this and bring that, and, you know, I forgot batteries for my GoPro. It probably wouldn't have worked right anyways, but so yeah, you missed out on all those cars, but I did see that little show up the road. So I came, got a battery, went back. Just a few cars there. I had to leave. There was a guy there. He's being super dramatic about you know, his 9/11. So he was laying it on thick. He claims to be a former Marine first sergeant, but I question that because he didn't have a name tag on his uniform, and it just didn't feel right. He just didn't, I don't know, he didn't seem like a Marine first sergeant. He looked kind of young to me. Didn't have any stripes on his sleeve. I don't know. So you'd have thought that, you know, somebody would vet the guys if he is a fake stolen valor kind of guy. I don't know. Whatever, not a big deal. But, you know, back home, bike is safely in the garage, and, you know, so that's going to do it for this weekend video, I guess. I really wish I could have got the Ford out. The brakes are still kind of sketch, in my opinion, for me to drive it, especially up and down all these big hills. I'm gonna have to work on the brakes, but you know, it is what it is. Talked to a bunch of guys up there. They're a nice 57 Ford up there, but yeah, let's do it for this video. Like you guys do at the end of all my videos, like, tag, share, follow, subscribe, hit that notification bell. And you want to see new the videos when I drop them. You know, my goal is to do nothing but Ford, but if there's a car show, I'm gonna go videotape some stuff, some cars, some bikes. But like always, till next time, thanks a lot.